Okay, this is something you've seen before. This is a vintage early 1980s Seth Thomas. It's either manager or monitor. I think it's manager, electric wall clock. Monitor and manager, basically one is the West Clocks version, the other one's the Seth Thomas version. The only difference in the clocks is the brand. You've seen this clock before. Back in 2013 I made 2 videos called What Was in This Box and What Was in This Box Part 2. I just recently took it back out of its box after it sat in there for about a year. It's in good shape. So the spots in the glass, even though I've taken it apart to clean it, they wouldn't come off. There's a little bit of rust on that washer. But it still runs well. There's a set stem. It's steady, you pull it out and you change the time. You can hear it's pretty noisy, but I like the noise it makes. These movements always make noise. The movements are fairly small and fairly underpowered for the job. These movements, when they're put on these smaller clocks, usually didn't get very loud. They usually took a long time to start making noise. These bigger ones, they wore out a little faster because they're fairly small movement with big heavy hands on them. The minute and hour hand are not balanced, but the second hand is balanced, as you can see. You can't really see the end, it's folded over. Here, go from this angle. You can see the end is folded over, that's for balance. Very high quality clock. It's glass, metal, and a fiberboard backing. The newer ones are plastic with a glass front and plastic hands. This one has metal hands. Regardless, still a very nice clock. It's big. It's pretty big. I really like this clock. It's probably 13, 14 inches across. This is the diameter. Very nice. I love it. Plan on keeping it up now. As well as the clock, I also have this, which I don't know why I bought it, but that was kind of cool. It's a Himalayan salt lamp. I just call them rock lights. This one's USB powered and it's color changing. Kind of tacky, but yeah, why not? Very, very interesting. Pretty cool though.